Hello everyone, so today I'll be teaching you how to make Louisiana pasta. Here are the ingredients that you will need. You need 2 tablespoons of oil, butter to your liking, 3 cloves of garlic, half an onion chopped, 2 different colored bell peppers, 1 teaspoon of salt, half crushed chili pepper, 3/4 cup heavy cream, half a cup of chicken broth, half a cup of Parmesan cheese, 2 Parmesan crusted chicken, and pre-made bow tie pasta. On medium to low heat, fry your chicken. Then while your chicken is frying, chop your bell peppers and onion. Once that is complete, add your butter and oil and melt on low heat. Once the butter has melted, add your bell peppers and onions and stir fry for about 3 to 4 minutes on medium to low heat. Once your bell peppers and onions are complete, add your chicken broth, heavy cream, salt, and crushed chili peppers. Make sure to keep it on medium to low heat. Next, add Parmesan cheese to your sauce mix. Once the sauce boils, add the pre-made bow tie pasta. Then mix the pasta with the sauce. Next, slice your chicken. Next, add the chicken to your pasta. Then mix the chicken into the pasta. Your recipe is now complete. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make Louisiana pasta. Make sure to subscribe and turn your bell icon on.